weather forecast.
Hey there, happy Taco Tuesday to you. This is day 2 of a 3-day soggy stretch here across the coastal bend, and we have had some showers this morning. There's a lot of moisture in the air above us, and it's warmer, so we also have some fog to contend with this morning. Plus, I'm tracking some showers for tonight, so we'll break it all down in just a moment. But taking this view from our downtown studio sky cam overlooking downtown Corpus Christi. Wow, this is a scenic one here, a little spooky. Is this October? Nope, this is January in the sparkling city by the sea. Some low clouds and that fog rolling on by. Your time now, 6:37 a.m. So we'll start out with a view of the radar. Overnight, we've had a few light showers, some drizzle across the area. You may notice your car's wet when you head out the door this morning. A lot of that has ended or moved out of our area and is hanging north of the Highway 59 corridor. So every once in a while, our northern neighborhoods get brushed by one of those light showers. But overall, not nearly as active as we were on Monday morning. Our southern zones have been relatively dry so far this morning, but we still have some fog in the area to contend with. We'll cover that in a moment. But tracking a little shower activity across 361, heading from Padre Island up to Port Aransas. So if traveling in that area, expect those wet roadways. We also have some showers that have been gracing Lake Corpus Christi and Choke Canyon. That's phenomenal news. That's what we like to see, but it's also making for some wet roadways out along 202 going through Beeville. So be aware of that. The bulk of the showers that we expect will be later today, and I'm timing that out. Plus tonight, some shower activity too. So we'll start with the fog. We have a dense fog advisory in effect for nearly everyone here in the coastal bend. That means in these areas shaded in gray, including our local bays and waterways and the nearshore waters. At times, we could see those visibilities dropping to 1/4 of a mile or less. So that is more likely before 9 a.m. We should see improvements by then. So far to reporting stations, things have been relatively good. Our visibilities have suffered at times. For instance, we're down to 2.5 miles in Rockport, 3.5 in Port A, but this is at our official reporting stations. In between, you can have some patches of some very dense fog, especially if you're traveling near bodies of water or low-lying areas. So you're going to want to take it easy. Leave the house on time or a little earlier this morning and make it a safe ride out the door. It is a warmer one at that. You may not even need the sweater. Look at that. We are seeing the improvement on the order of 10, 15, even 20 degrees warmer right now than we were at 6:39 on your Monday morning. So that translates to temperatures in the middle to even upper 60s right now. And you know that means we'll have a warmer afternoon too, despite some of the rain in the forecast. So what does that mean for your dog walking forecast? Well, we've got a trio of cuties today. Olivia, Jake, and Duke waiting for some adventure time, some sunny weather. Well, looks like we'll have that in the 7-day forecast. But so far this morning, if we get that walk in earlier, we'll be better off because the rain does come back in by late morning into the lunchtime hours. By then, we should be around 70 degrees with a south wind around 15 miles per hour. But the big weather picture, it's a bit unsettled. There's a frontal boundary in northern Texas, so we're kind of in this warm, soupy, what we like to call the warm sector before our next cold front that arrives late Wednesday night. So things are going to be, as I mentioned, a bit unsettled. And tonight, when we're expecting showers and a few thunderstorms to roll through, 1 or 2 of those could be a little sporty, and so the probability of seeing a severe thunderstorm is on the lower end of scale 1 to 5 for that probability. We're at a 1 for everyone here in that darker shade of green that encompasses all of the coastal bend. So you'll want to be weather aware today and have multiple ways to receive weather alerts just in case. But the timing checks out like this. A few lunchtime into the afternoon showers. I don't think we see much in the way of thunder, but tonight we expect more numerous showers and storms that linger from about dinner time tonight through the early morning hours on your Wednesday. So one model thinks that'll check out this way. Those afternoon showers, nothing too bad to write home about. But tonight we could see some thunderstorms, some of which could pack a punch and deliver some heavy rainfall where you see the brightly shaded colors, and then that moves off to the coast. So it's not just isolated to one neighborhood or another. It looks like we'll all be in on the heavy rain. And then as we head on into Wednesday, we'll still have a few lingering showers. So putting it together in your 7-day forecast, again, today's day 2 of a 3-day soggy stretch. We'll be in the 70s today and tomorrow. One cold front helps to dry us out for the end of the week. Another arrives for the weekend to cool us down.